Hi, I'm Susan Tracy McDaniel, and I'll be presenting practical ways to bring Montessori to culturally and economically diverse families. I'm a teacher educator in several courses, including Seton and Cambridge Montessori Institute, and some international courses as well. I also do parent coaching, and I founded an organization called Learning Together Education back in 1999. Through that organization, I had the possibility to take Montessori into different neighborhoods and eventually to go global and help programs get started in different parts of the world. I like to be practical about how we can reach a lot of families with Montessori. How can we do it without waiting for a lot of money and a lot of time? How can we do it with a little bit of money and a little bit of time and do it perhaps just even right in our neighborhood or in our city? So that's what I'll be sharing with you. And then I hope to start some ideas with you, get you thinking about what might be possible. A lot of us have it on our hearts that we would like to make Montessori more broadly available. And so if that's in your heart, listen in and maybe you'll get an idea. Maybe something you can do now or something you can do in the future. So I am looking forward to sharing this with you at the Montessori event, and I hope you'll join me. Thank you.